Hello everyone, welcome back or welcome to T-Star Bakings. Today's video will show you how I make my extra long cake. It's quite easy and this is a method I recently found out and I'm showing you all, and it needs no special equipment. What are you waiting for? Follow me up. I have my 4-layered 6-inch cakes which have been crumb coated and completely freezed solid rock. Some of the needed equipment are scissors, dowel rod, which I glued 1.5 of it together just so it can be as long as my cake, 2 separate dowel rods, a stacking board, and a measuring tape. And also, I made this stacking board myself. First, I will try to get the middle of the board, mark it, and punch a hole through it for the long dowel rod. Proceed to add your butter onto the cake to glue the board, but before then, I measured the rod I need and I took out the excess. I'm using just 2 rods, but you can use more. I insert the rods in opposite sides and on goes my stacking board. And more buttercream to glue the upper cake. Lift your cake and place on the prepared one. After putting the cake securely on the other, insert the longer dowel rod in the middle to pass through the entire cake. Take out the excess and insert back in. It may be tricky to pass through the stacking board, but try doing it gently. Cover the holes on the top and at the side of the cake with butter. Proceed to freeze again. It's solid hard and it's now time for the final layer of buttercream. I start from the top and work my way down. Believe me guys, it's quite hard to put cream on an extra long cake, but it can be overcome. And at the bottom, I add a darker shade, or is it purple cream? Just to give it that fine finish. I am smoothing in 3 steps: the bottom part, the middle part, and the upper part. Because my cake smoother is not as long as the cake. It may seem quite impossible, but it's not. Fill in the loops and smoothing again. Also, do check the description box for more details and tips on how to bake. Please also subscribe to my channel if this is your first time visiting it. I would really appreciate. After watching the video to this point, I can be sure to say you have seen another way of making an extra long cake. At this point, I am adding my finished decoration, my golden, pink and purple toppers. These golden sprinkles spread all over the cake for more beauty. And yes, it is this simple. You can do an extra long cake without any special equipment. Please try this and tell me how it worked for you in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.